Good morning, children. In last video, we started our second lesson, kinds of plants. Now today we start the remaining part of lesson, that is the kinds of plants lesson. So in last video, we learned about the first of all uses of plants. Means plants used as a food, it purifies air, it is useful to make cloths and rubber. It is used to prepare medicines and also in perfumes. After that, we learned about the classification of plants on the basis of their growing habits. So there are the 5 types of plants, that is the herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. Then first of all we started the herbs and their benefits. Herbs are small plants and we also learned the benefits of herbs. Now we learned the shrubs. Plants that are taller than herbs are called as shrubs. Shrubs have strong woody stems and can stand erect. Lady fingers and brinjals grow on shrubs. Cotton plant, rose, showflower, hibiscus and jasmine, mogra grow as shrubs. Now children, Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants taller than herbs and shorter than tree. Their height usually ranges between 6 meter to 10 meter tall. They have bushy, hard and woody stem with many branches and can grow erect. The lifespan of these plants usually depend on the species, like jasmine and rose plant has a several years lifespan, and whereas brinjal and lady's finger is a seasonal. Now the example of shrubs, the first one is the brinjal, the second one is the lady's finger, the third one is the cotton plant. It is a shrub, children. Now the fourth one is a jasmine plant. Everyone knows jasmine plant. Now your favorite plant, that is the rose. It is also shrub, children. So rose is a shrub. Now the next one is the hibiscus. Hibiscus means dashar hua. It is a shrub. Now I tell the benefits of shrubs, means how they are useful to us. Now the first one is the shrubs like brinjal and lady's finger used as a vegetables. You like na brinjal and lady's finger? Now the next one, rose and jasmine used in perfumes. Now the next one is the cotton plant. That cotton plant gives us cotton and that cotton is used to make the cloths. Now the next, see the picture, children. These are the picture of bushes, and that bushes are look like herb or shrub or tree. No, the bushes are taller than shrubs, children, and these bushes are smaller than trees. So bushes are not like a shrubs. These are the taller than shrubs but smaller than trees. Now I read the next part, that is the trees. Trees are big plants. Most trees are quite tall and strong. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. It is a thick, woody and quite rough to touch. Many branches with leaves grow on this trunk. Trees like banyan tree, neem tree, coconut tree and such others are commonly seen. Now I read this para of trees. Now I explain this one. So listen, children. What are trees? So children, what are trees? Trees are big plants. Means a big plants called as a trees. And that trees have a rough and woody stem. That rough and woody stem, it is called as a trunk, and that trunk is a brown in color, but when the plant is young one, it is a green in color. Now see the example of trees. The first one is the banyan tree. See the banyan tree. That banyan tree trunk bears a lots of branches, and that branches bears the leaves. Means trunk bears branches and branches bears leaves. Now the next example is the neem tree. It is the example of tree. Now the third one is the Ashoka tree. A Ashoka tree grows very tall, children. See the Ashoka tree is as tall as a building. So it is a very much tall. Now I tell the benefits of trees, means how trees are useful. So trees removes the carbon dioxide and gives the oxygen, means it can purifies the air. Trees reduce the soil erosion and it can prevent the flooding. Now the next one, trees gives varieties of fruits like mango, banana, lots of types. Then next one, trees are used as a medicines also, and it can cools our houses. Now I will read the next para. Creepers. Some plants have a weak stems and are unable to stand on their own. Plants like the bottle gourd, means dudi or lauki, pumpkin, cucumber and watermelon grow along the ground. These plants are known as creepers. Now I explain this one, children. So children, creepers means what? So creepers, as the name suggests, are plants that creep on the ground, means the plants which can grow along the ground. These plants are called as a creepers, and these creepers neither grow erect and they have a very weak stem, children. Now I tell the example. The first example is the watermelon. Anyone see watermelon tree? No, this watermelon can grow on the ground. Next one is the cucumber. It is also creeper. Now the third one is the pumpkin. See the children, pumpkin. It is also creeper. Now next one is the bottle gourd. So it is also creeper. Now I tell the benefits of creepers. So listen children, what are the benefits? The pumpkin and the bottle gourd are used as a vegetable and it can boost the immunity power, children. So these are the uses of these two plants. Now the next one is the watermelon. That watermelon is eaten as a fruit, especially in a summer season, and it can improve the heart health. So these are the benefits of creepers. Now I read the next part. Climbers. Some plants take support of other plants, poles or even walls to grow and are hence known as a climbers. For example, money plant, grapevine, pea and morning glory. Now children, I will explain this part of the lesson. So listen children. So climbers, what is mean by climbers, children? Climbers means the plant which can take support of pole or other plant or wall to grow. So these are the climbers, and these climbers have very thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand erect, but they can take external support to grow vertically and carry their weight. And these types of plants have a special structures called as a tendrils, and these tendrils are used to climb. So got children, what is mean by climbers? Climbers which can grow by using or taking support of pole or wall. Now I tell the example. The first one is the morning glory. It is a climber. The second one is the pea plant, watani plant. It is also climber. Third one is the money plant. So the money plant also takes support of other plant or pole. Next one is the grapevine. Everyone see grapevine. So it is also climber. Now I tell some benefits of climber. What are the benefits of climber? Listen children. The first one is the grapevine contain vitamin C and K. So it is good for health, and it also decrease the blood sugar levels. So grapevine is a very useful. Next one is the pea plant. That pea plant is used as a vegetable. So these are the some benefits of climber. So pea plant is used as a vegetable. These are the benefits. So up to here children, the next one, the tendrils. Tendrils means what children? Tendrils is a specialized stem or leaves with a thread-like shape. See that thread-like shape in a watermelon. Then these tendrils are present in climbers also. See in the grapevine plant, tendrils are present. So are you got tendrils means what? So here we complete the lesson. Now I tell the summary of the lesson. First of all, we learn the uses of plants. Means how the plants are useful. Plants are used as a food. It purifies air. It is useful to make cloths, rubber. It is used to prepare medicine and in also perfumes. Now second one, we learned about the classification of plants on their growing habits. So there are the 5 types of plants. The first one is a herbs, second shrubs, third trees, fourth one is a creepers, and fifth one is the climbers. So in that classification, herbs means now one by one we learned about that 5 types of plants. So what first of all we learned about the herbs and their benefits. So herbs means the small plants having the tender stem, these are called as a herbs. An example of herbs, which one? Spinach, fenugreek, basil, mint, and these are used as a medicine also, and some herbs are used as a vegetables or as a food also. Now the fourth one, shrubs and their benefits. Shrubs means what children? The plants which are taller than herbs are called as a shrubs, and their example, that is the rose, cotton, lady's finger and brinjal. Here some shrubs are used as a vegetables and some shrubs are used in the making perfumes. Next one, fifth one, we learned about the creepers and their benefits. Here creepers means what? The plant which can grow along the ground. These are called as a creepers. Here some creepers are used as a fruit, and some creepers can boost the immunity power, like pumpkin, it can boost the immunity power. Now the next one is the climbers and their benefits. In that point we learned that the plants which can take support of other plant or pole to grow, these are called as a climbers. An example of climbers, I told that the grapevine, money plant and pea plants. These are the example of climbers. And climbers also, some climbers used as a fruit, and some climbers like grapevine, it contain vitamin C and K, and it can reduce the sugar level. Next one, we learned about the tendrils. So tendrils means what I told children? Tendrils are the structure, specialized stem or leaves with a thread-like shape, and these tendrils are present in creepers also and climbers also. These tendrils can help the plant to roll up the host plant or take support of other plant. So we can complete here lesson children. So children, see and learn the video of this lesson, and you also read the lesson in your textbook. So children, stay home, stay safe. Good day children.